Today we are going to study about the population pyramid and its types. So as already I've shared a video on YouTube regarding the population pyramid. Now we are going to study about the different types of population pyramid. So the population pyramid is going to give you the whole and sole information about the different age structure with along with a gender wise distribution of those particular population. Let us start with the first type of population, that is expansive. So the characteristic of expansive is broad base with narrow apex, shows that more people die at each higher band, and this also shows that high birth rate and high death rate. So in the case of expansive, you can see that the base is broad whereas the apex is narrow. As already told, at the base there are the number of child, and at the apex there are the number of oldies people, that is above 60. So this particular type of population makes you understand that the youngsters in that particular country will be more and the old people in that particular country will be less. So expansive pyramid represents a population that has larger percentage of young people. With a wide base, expansive pyramid usually depicts a population with high fertility rate and lower life expectancy. So as the birth rate is high, the fertility rate is high. Because of that, the child population is more. Whereas as the life expectancy is low, the people they don't cross above 50 or above 60. So because of that, the death rate is high. The number of people in this older age group is usually low and thus has narrow top. Many developing countries have expansive population. So most probably the developing countries have expansive population. Because of lack of medical facilities, the life expectancy rate in this particular country is very low. Now we'll study about the next type of population pyramid, that is constructive. The characteristic of constructive is that the base gets narrower while the apex gets broader. So this indicates lower percentage of younger people and more of elderly people, and this shows low birth rate and low death rate. So the characteristic of constructive is low birth rate and low death rate. So with the help of this analysis, we can say a population that has low or declining number of younger population when represented in the bar diagram gives a constructive pyramid. And this is a result of a country having a slow or declining birth rate with each succeeding age group getting smaller and smaller. The country will have more older people than the younger ones. The large number of older people can also be linked to good health care facilities for older citizens. So this reduces the death rate in high age group, and they live longer. So this is how the constructive pyramid is being designed. So in this you can see that the older people are more compared to the working age of population. Hence, this creates an imbalance in particular countries. Now we'll study about the stationary type of pyramid. Almost all age groups have the same percentage, and very low birth rate and very low death rate is the characteristic of stationary pyramid. Here the population hardly grows. So in the stationary you can see the population is very stable, it doesn't change frequently. The birth rate is also low, the death rate is also low, and a specific consistency is maintained. This is usually a rectangular or a square shaped graphical representation where it is slightly tapering at the top of the graph. This is very usual since death occurring among the elderly is more, and countries with better living conditions, medical facilities have high expectancy of life. So many countries have a stable rate of birth as well as they have more awareness about the birth control measures. So basically, in this particular type of pyramid, the population hardly grows. It is completely stable. All the age groups have same percentage. The death rate is also very much low. The birth rate is also very much low. So such type of pyramids show a stable increasing along with population in due time. It can also be regarded as a population pyramid which is showing an unchanging pattern of fertility and mortality. The stationary pyramid is mostly seen in the highly developed countries like Sweden, USA, Netherlands. Because of this, the economic level of this particular country is very much high. So, this is all about the population pyramid and the types of population pyramid. Thank you so much. Do subscribe the channel.